We need some help from YouTube. We're looking at restoring an antenna. We thought that if we ask YouTube, YouTube will be able to give us the answer.
That's it.
Of this. So, okay, what is this antenna and what are we looking at?
Well, clearly it's a Ringo by design, you know, it's that design.
Well, we thought it looked like a Ringo, right?
But I don't know that it's actually a genuine Ringo, but it has these very nice cast aluminium pieces here. And all the pictures I've been managed to find on the internet of Ringos, even in old magazines, don't seem to look like this. It was given to me by a guy that lived a few doors down. He was not into radios whatsoever, but may well have been used for marine, 27 meg marine back in the day, I think.
Okay.
Is probably the most likely thing. He couldn't tell me anything about it.
So you've got one.
There's 4 sections.
4 sections.
4 sections. They're all joined.
Oh yes, okay.
They're all joined with nice stainless steel hardware.
So we definitely know that it's for around 27, 28 megs.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But the main question, I suppose, is
I'd really like to know what brand it is.
What brand it is and how the matching arrangement works. So it looks like here there's an adjustment here for the match with the slot cut out of the.
Yeah.
Now you said that it looked different online because the Ringos you saw didn't have this base at the bottom?
No, they didn't have these cast aluminium pieces. They just sort of had clamps and they've got...
Oh, right. On the... So these pieces here, is that what you're talking about? Yep. So this is obviously an insulator here as well between your radiating element and your bottom
I'm
element.
assuming that's still intact. I haven't actually put a meter on it, but I'm assuming...
So these are radialless? So what are they? I guess this is a half wave, right? I'd imagine that it's a half wave. It kind of looks like it with the length.
Yes, I think so.
So a half wavelength, like an end-fed type antenna, probably similar to a station master antenna.
Well, they're not half wave, are they?
They're half wave.
Oh,
yep.
are they? Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
So probably, I was just looking. No radials.
No.
Probably used as maybe the mast or something as a counterpoise.
None of the Ringos are. You can buy them online. They don't need radials. I actually thought I'd get this going and put it on the repeater frequency, seeing as we now have a 27 meg repeater.
So that's the whole point of where this sort of come about, is the 10 metre repeater. So.
Yeah, and so I thought, well, I'll pull this one out of the shed.
If anyone knows anything about this antenna or sort of tips that we can have, let us know in the comments, and look forward to the restore video.
Do that again another day.
I've done a 10 metre antenna build before. It's just using a piece of RG58 coax. It's really, really easy to build. So if you want to check that out, then I'll put a link to the video here and you can build it like within 5 minutes or something and get on the air.